Hello, and welcome to this new AUTOMY video tutorial. Today we will learn how to create, modify, and delete process groups, list groups, and dynamic entity groups. Groups are a key tool in AUTOMY because they help organize and classify information within the platform. This allows for better control and management, ensuring that your processes, lists, and entities are structured in a clear and efficient way. Let's get started. 1. Create, modify, and delete process groups. Accessing process groups. First, go to the main menu. Select Configurations, and within the Processes section, click on Process Group. Creation. To create a new process group, click on Add. Fill in the following fields. Name, for example, operations. Description, it could be the same as the name or provide additional details. Parent process group, if you want this group to belong to another previously created group, select it here. If not, leave it empty. Enable switch, turn it on if you want the group to be active from the moment it's created. Once you complete the information, click Add. And that's it. The group will appear in the list. Modification. To modify an existing group, find the group in a list and click on the edit icon. Change any necessary details and click Edit to save the changes. Deletion. To delete a group, make sure there are no processes associated with this group. If there are, reassign those processes to another group first. If the group meets these conditions, click on the delete icon. Confirm the action, and the group will be deleted. If you cannot delete it, you can disable it so that it is no longer visible. 2. Create, modify, and delete list groups. Accessing list groups. Go back to the main menu, select Configurations, and within Lists and Dynamic Entities, click on List Group. Creation, click on Add. Fill in the fields. Name, for example, checklist operations. Description, similar to the name or with additional detail. Enable switch. Turn it on if you want the group to be active from the beginning. Click Add, and you're done. Modification. To change any details, click the edit icon next to the group. Make the necessary changes and save them by clicking Edit. Deletion. Before deleting a group, make sure there are no lists associated with it. If there are, reassign them to another group. If everything is in order, click the delete icon. Confirm the action, and the group will disappear. If you cannot delete it, you can disable it so that the associated lists are no longer visible. 3. Create, modify, and delete dynamic entity groups. Accessing dynamic entity groups. From the main menu, select Configurations, and within Lists and Dynamic Entities, click on Dynamic Entity Group. Creation, click Add. Fill in the fields. Name, for example, Team Operations. Description, additional detail if needed. Enable switch. Turn it on if you want the group to be available from start. When you have completed the information, click Add. Modification, to adjust an existing group. Click the edit icon. Make the necessary changes and save them by clicking Edit. Deletion. To delete a group, make sure there are no dynamic entities associated with it. If there are, reassign them to another group. Click the delete icon, confirm, and the group will be removed. If you cannot delete it, you can disable it so that the associated entities are no longer visible. And that's it. Now you know how to create, modify, and delete process groups, list groups, and dynamic entity groups in AUTOMY. These tools are essential to keeping your platform organized and customized according to your company's needs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.